In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your battery on your Chrysler 300. It's located in the trunk. The battery is located in the trunk, so you're going to lift up this, you're going to pop the trunk and then you're going to lift this up. And next to your spare tire is your battery. To loosen the strap, you're going to push this down and pull the strap. Then you can unhook it and take it off. Remove your negative battery terminal first using a 10mm wrench. I'm using a ratchet wrench. You can also use a socket. Loosen it, take it off, make sure it's not hitting anything. It's metal. And now you're going to take off your positive. Loosen the nut. And pull up on the terminal. Set it aside. At this point, you should have a hold down that's positioned to hold the battery from moving. You're going to remove that. Ours is missing. And now we're ready to take out the battery. You're going to install your battery. Make sure that your positive is on that side. You're going to place it in there, and then you're going to use your hold down to hold it in, and then you're going to strap it in. To do that, you're going to take your strap, hook it onto this bracket, and pull the strap to tighten it. Make sure it's snug, and now let's put our terminals on. Put your positive one on first. Make sure your negative isn't touching anything, and tighten it down. Make sure it's snug and it doesn't move, and then you can connect your negative. Now you're ready to put this down.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.